In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a signature in Word. We will walk through two simple approaches so your handwritten signature looks clean and professional right on top of your documents. First, let's use picture corrections to make the paper disappear. Start by inserting your signature image by going to Insert, then Pictures, then this device, and choose the photo of your signature. Once it's on the page, click and drag the crop handles to trim away any extra paper around the ink. This keeps the focus on your signature and makes the cleanup more effective. Next, right-click the image, choose Wrap Text, and select in front of text. That lets you move the signature freely and align it exactly where you want later. Now, double-click the signature to open the Picture Format tab at the top. Click Corrections. Then choose Picture Corrections options at the bottom of the menu. A format pane opens on the right with adjustable sliders. Set sharpness to roughly 100% to crisp up the edges of your ink. Then adjust brightness to somewhere between 30% and 50% enough to brighten the paper without washing out the pen strokes. Finally, increase contrast between 40% and 100% until the background turns completely white and the signature stands out clearly. Watch the ink as you adjust if it starts to look too light or too harsh. Nudge the sliders until you get a clean, natural result. The goal is a bright white background with bold, readable lines. If you prefer a more automated cleanup, Word's Remove Background tool can do the heavy lifting. Insert your signature again and set Wrap Text to in front of text so you can position it easily. Go to the Picture Format tab and click Remove Background. Word will analyze the image and highlight the parts it thinks are background in a purple overlay. If it accidentally includes parts of your signature, use mark areas to keep to draw over the strokes you want to preserve. If it misses extra paper, use mark areas to remove to extend the purple overlay. Take a moment to refine the edges so curves and flourishes are kept intact. When it looks good, click Keep Changes. The background will drop out, leaving a clean signature ready to place anywhere on your page. That's it. Thanks for watching.